arise and shine. This is my morning face. Today is Saturday and we have Auntie Esther and the kids visiting, which we're so excited.
Hey.
Good morning. So we're gonna have breakfast. Yum yum.
Ooh.
What do you want Esther and Ian because they're still sleeping? Hi honey.
Hello.
Eddie.
Hello, son.
Yeah.
Going bowling. Oh, it's a full car. It's got to bowling. It's got to bowling. Who's going to win? Me.
Do we all have passports? Eh?
Yeah, I have mine. Ready, set, go. Oh my goodness, I love this Benz. So good.
Jose, mother.
Oh, high sunroof. A lot going on here. How do you reduce the volume?
But it's pretty.
It's pretty, yeah?
Hi. No. Yes, why?
Mercedes. Boy, I want bumps. Oh, it's handbrake. Oh my goodness.
Guide on, so ni reverse. Uzambona, so pressing. Can I try?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
But yeah, my foot is on the brake.
Yes. So when you do this reverse, I'll reverse.
So you take out.
So what about the hand? Oh, it automatically goes off.
Can it fit?
Do
The hand
Can
bumps.
it fit?
only the hand bumps forward.
But take out.
Hey!
When you are braking,
All
you just
bands,
brake.
all bands. And
So
they're
that is
setting the standard, they tell you.
Martha, but my motor can umayenza ku same night I'm not bro ayenza but
This is advanced. I've never driven this one before.
this-
Hi vlog.
Oh, my hair.
Oh, it's windy. It's so windy. We are heading to the bowling alley now. We just parked the car and we're walking over. Go Esther. Woo! Good. Osa boya.
Oh, mother, fitness. Hell no.
Come to EB. Hey. Hey.
Right now.
We're in the bowling alley. We're having a great time at the bowling alley. Vlog. An update. So we're back from bowling. This is the time. Time is 9. 21:03. I thought it was 19. Wow, time really does fly. So we just had dinner and I'm just cleaning up the house and I want to take a shower and we're just like chilling. Every time I wear makeup I always break out. I think maybe it's a sign. But Auntie Esther, are you enjoying yourself in town, Auntie Esther?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's so lovely.
It's a great time.
It's about time. Listen to boom shaka, boom shaka, boom shaka.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when
Morning vlog. It's Sunday and it's the last day of our beloved visitors. You guys on the ATV.
you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
There she goes.
You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know.
This is okay. Wrestling. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Woo! And remember to share.
Yeah.
And next time in the vlog, me and Marthy are going to wrestle.
Ooh. SGW. SGW. SGW.
SVW. SVW. Vi sin vlog was
Vulkanshake. Annika, das kan du. Men Annika kan ikke huske vulkanshake.
Let me It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can't give way to doubt.
Good.
Hi.
Willkommen til sauna, yeah.
Mo.
Marthy, remember your bra blast.
Yeah, I will try my best.
Take your time, Esther.
See you.
Marthy,
Yeah,
yes.
yes. We are grateful.
Hey. We're gonna miss our guests.
Yes, we are going to miss them. It was nice to have my young sister with her kids. Yeah.